Challenge. Question 7. Use the data about the vehicles to complete the pictogram. How? Here is different type of vehicles and here is the list box. We have to find out the answer like this. First of all, here first question is actually not question, it's a theme, which is how many vehicles are there all together? So how many vehicles all together? So before find out this icon, we have to fill up this one. Then we will discuss. So this icon, it means tricycle. Here is 2, right? And this one is like 3. It's a shadow big bicycle 1. Big bicycle clear format here is a 4. And then here is truck 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's looking shadow. And it's a clear is another truck 1, 2, 3. Then tractor 1, 2, 3, 4. And then car, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we can total 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 6, 19, 4, 23, 24, 27 and 29. Let's check again. 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15. 15. Our answer is not same. So we should calculate again. 2, 5, 6, 10, 16, 19, 23 and 29. So our answer is 29. Okay. This is an important thing to write or calculate summation carefully. Now our first thing, how many vehicles are all together? It's a 29. There are 6 cars, there are 4 tractor, there are how many trucks? Here is a together, it means 9 trucks. There are bikes, how many bike? Look, this is a bike, this is also bike, it means 5. There are trikes, it means 5. Okay, very simple. Is the number of cars greater than the number of trucks? What is the difference between? So first truck, answer B. Number of truck. Here is a car, right? Number of cars. How many? 6. And then the number of truck. It's a 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. Is the number of cars greater than the number of trucks? No. Number of trucks is greater than cars. Different, right? Second we have to find out difference. Difference, 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Number C, what is the difference between the number of trikes and number of tractor? So tractor is 9 and trikes is 5. So difference 9 minus 5. Number C, difference between the number of trikes and the number of tractor. So tractor 9 and trikes how many? 2 plus 3 5. So answer is 4. So number 9 done. Question 8 of 15.1. The ice cream seller does a survey to find the most popular ice cream flavor. Vanilla like 12, 3 more than that like chocolate. It means if vanilla 12, chocolate will be more than 3, it means 15. 6 like strawberry. 11 like lemon. Okay, we can write in here 11. There is a 12. The favorite flavor is mint. It has the same number as strawberry and lemon together. It means 6 strawberry plus lemon 11 and together 17. Now we should mark a bar chart. How? Let's think this is a 2, it's a 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and finally 20. In middle it's like 3, 5, 9, 7, 9, 11 like this. And we can make a title. It's like favorite ice cream, right? Favorite ice cream. And we can mark this one. So first one is a vanilla. We can initial vanilla, then chocolate, and then strawberry, then lemon, and then mint, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will mark vanilla how many? 12. So this is 12, right? This is 12. It's a vanilla part. So we can draw this one. Okay, this is our vanilla. Next, what? Chocolate. How many? 15. It means more than 3 of vanilla, right? So we can draw 15. 15 means it's a between 16 and 14. It means in here it's a 15. So we can draw like this where such our chocolate. You can draw just in pencil, make shadow several times. Okay, now strawberry 6. So this is strawberry where this is our strawberry 6. Okay, it's a 6 strawberry. It means in here. And this is vanilla, and this is first one is vanilla, this one is chocolate, this one is a strawberry, and next it's lemon 11. Lemon can be do like this way. It's a 11, just this one is a 11. Okay, and finally it's a most famous 17 mint. 17. 17 means it's between 16 and 18. It's our mint. Okay, So this is our main chart. Okay, very simple. So this is our question answer of 8. Done.